Ignore the messy house behind me. Don't look at all the dog hair. Okay, just let's ignore that. That's not what we're here for today. What we're here for is I got my Kayali sample in the mail. Honestly, for a little while, Kayali has been one of my favorite fragrance houses. A lot of their launches are quite feminine and girly, and like that's what I'm all about. So vanilla candy rock sugar. It's surprising I didn't buy the full bottle. I know, I'm surprised too. One, I put myself on a no buy, okay. Two, I really want vanilla 28 and I've heard this is similar. So I was like, do I need a full bottle? But you know, I had to find out. Is it good? Do I like it? Very bubblegummy in the opening. And that's the one thing I was like, I have a bubblegum body spray. I have so many cotton candy fragrances. Do I need more candy? I feel like vanilla 28 is versatile. You can do jeans and a t-shirt or you can dress it up. To me, this is so candy-like. I was hesitant, like, is it gonna be useful in my collection? I get a lot of the bubble gum. I do get that jelly bean vibe because it's like a mix of fruits in there and candies. Definitely get some citrus. This honestly reminds me a ton of my Bath & Works bubblegum body spray. I'm gonna be smelling. Yes, I did just use half of this. I do pick up a similar vanilla to vanilla 28, but obviously way more playful and fun because of all the candy in there. I do get the fact that this is vanilla 28's younger sister. I feel like the pair is starting to come out. I haven't smelled Silk Santal, but I've heard that these are similar, and I'm guessing that is that sweet vanilla pear combo. I'm wafting it, you guys, if you wonder what I'm doing with the hands. This smells lovely in the air. Very lovely in the air. I think I like it in the air better than I do up close. Up close, I get almost a little, just a little screechiness. And I think that's that jelly bean note where I'm getting like citruses and fruits and a mixture of just almost too much. Does part of me want to buy it for the bottle? Absolutely. A more mature vibe is coming out in the dry down. Am I disappointed I didn't pick up a full bottle? No. I really think I would much rather have vanilla 28 at this stage of my life and this stage of my collection where I have so many cotton candy sweet stuff. I just think I'd rather have vanilla 28, honestly. I'm shocked too. I know, I'm shocked too right now.